Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss in detail about the variables. So, what is variable? Variables are the placeholders to store the value, which means it allocates the memory for our value. So this is the syntax to assign a value to the variable. So it starts with the variable name and it is followed by an equal to sign, which is nothing but an assignment operator, then the value itself. So we'll look into an example to have a better understanding. So what are we trying to achieve here is we are assigning a value 5 to a variable called length. When we print the variable length, Python should give us a value 5. This is called a single assignment, where you assign a single value to a single variable. We are assigning a 5 to a variable called length. There's another concept called multiple assignment, which is nothing but where you assign a multiple values to a multiple variables or a single value to a multiple variables at the time. We'll look into an example to have a better understanding. So in this example, what we are trying to achieve here is we are assigning a value called 10 to a variable name called weight at the same time to a variable name called height. If we print the variable weight, Python should give us the value 10. And if we print the variable called height, Python should give us the value 10. And it does. So one of the important thing that to notice here is we did not declare the variable type. Why we did not declare the variable type? So the answer to this why is in the next video, where we discuss about the numbers and strings. See you guys in the next video.